How to get a refund on Eneba. Now, there are multiple scenarios in which you can still get a refund on Eneba. So, say for example, you purchased the specific key, and then before the product code is viewed, and is was actually still not displayed, then you can still get the also be returned only up to 14 days after the purchase has been done. So within these 14 days, you can only receive a refund in these two cases. So say for example, you have purchased one and you have not yet viewed or display your key, then that's the first thing, or that's the first instance that you can still have a refund with it. And then the other thing that you can do is if there is an issue with the product code itself, then it is either invalid or previously used, then you can still get that refund. However, but in the specific case that you have changed your mind only after viewing the key and you want to return the product key to get a refund, that is actually not possible because they are actually a digital key marketplace and not a platform, and the seller of the product key that you purchase is actually not a direct publisher of the key. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to get or to still have a refund on Eneba.